welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hey y'all, so today we're going to be doing Gershion. We're going to be doing Gershion's review. I am really excited. I got this kit off of Amazon and it was super affordable, so I'll link everything down below. It's one of those little mini kits, so it comes with the 15 milliliter polygels and it comes with 4 different glitters and it's really pretty. I liked it. It was a nice and simple kit. You can do a lot of different things with it and it was affordable, so I'll show you what's in it. Of course, it comes with basic instructions, little tips. It's really pretty thank you card. They're 8 years in the making, so props to y'all. Comes with your standard brush, so it has that spatula on one side and then that brush on the other side. Your standard 100-180 file, which is honestly just going to be thrown into my collection of files. Also comes with some dual forms, and I was surprised these weren't as curved as I've seen other kits, so not bad. I'll have to try them out. I definitely don't like the super curved ones, but these don't look as curved, so we'll see how that goes. Some nail forms, which are always super useful, and my collection is building on that. So base coat, top coat, again, it's just gonna be thrown into my collection. I hate like opening new things. Like if I already have one open, like I'm not gonna use it, so I'm just gonna throw it to my collection. Alright, so the clear, as you can see, was not really that clear. I was a little disappointed, but all these polygels, the consistencies were really nice, so I appreciated that. The white was really, really white. I really loved that. So that one was white. Clear and white just have the standard names of clear and white, and then it starts going into 21, 22, 23, and 24. So this really, really pretty shimmery silver, that one I was obsessed with. It was so, so pretty. And then my favorite one is 22. Like, look at that. Like the pink and the gold specks. Like, oh my gosh, I love that one. Then the next one is like a purple type. It's kind of like purple pink. It looks different in person, so it does have like that shimmery purple and pink inside, like the glitter. And then lastly, red. So I usually don't see like reds in polygel kits, so I thought it was really cool. I didn't end up using it for this kit in specific, but I'll maybe do it in like a Valentine's Day look or something like that. So yeah, you see the numbers 21, 22, 23, and 24, and then clear and white are just named clear and white. So let's get right into it. Today I'm going to do the Lazy Girl Method by Femi Beauty. So I just grabbed some full cover tips that I got from like a previous Burano kit, and I'm going in with the purple one, which is 23. I'm putting a clear base, and I am just adding some stars. And what I would recommend is like you flash cure this and not do it like this. I ended up doing the flash cure the second time. That way the stars stay in place. So do that. Cure for like 10 seconds and then you put the polygel on the nail and then you put the nail on your nail bed. So I also forgot to put base coat, so you'll see me go back and put some base coat. Don't mind me, I was a hot mess this video, but nonetheless, the video came out really cute. The end result was fabulous, so I'm gonna let y'all see my application. What I love about lazy girl method is it honestly is so quick. Like, I only took, I think, 20 minutes with this application, and usually like I'll take a little longer because, you know, I'm trying to perfect it. I'm trying to make sure that all my shaping on the top is perfect, but like since the top is fine, you know, you don't really have to file except around the cuticles. You're only worrying about, you know, making sure that the bottom's not stuck to your skin. So it's so easy, and it was the best thing ever created. Now with the lazy girl method, you don't take off the tip, so it's not like a dual form. You're just putting the polygel on inside the full cover tip, and you're putting it on your nail. You're not taking off that full cover tip, you're just leaving it on. Now I know that like the best way to do it technically is with like soft gel nails. I don't have soft gel nails, so I just use like regular, and so far it's been working just fine, but it's whatever you have, honestly. I will invest in some soft gel nails eventually, just not now. But yeah, I left in the file this time, just so you can see a little bit of how I shape. But that's pretty much it for that. I did go in with some beautiful gems from Amazon, and then some nice rhinestones from Krowned Krystals. I'll link everything down below. I'm just like trying to use these as much as I can because they're so pretty and I have so many colors, and I'm trying to just like be more on top of my like gem game, you know? So I went in with that, and I'll let y'all see that. After I finished my placements, I just went in with my top coat and cured that for 60 seconds, and that's it. Like, it was so easy to do, so quick, and look how pretty they came out. Now in the end, I really liked this kit in particular. I thought it was super easy to work with. The consistency was really great, and it was affordable. So I'm gonna make sure to link everything down below. And that's it, y'all. Of course, put that cuticle oil on because you want to replenish your cuticles and bring them back to life. But that's it. Look at the final look. I'm obsessed with how the gems came out and the stars that like peek through. Even though there's glitter, like you can still see the stars. So cute. I love it. Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching. If you want to become a part of that DIY Familia, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Y'all, you are awesome. Thank you so much, and I'll see you en la próxima.